Alright then, just taking a quick look at Verasity on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, not been too much to report over the past really few months for Verasity. We've been trickling to the downside over the past week because obviously we've got the altcoin basket hitting a new all-time high, rejecting and getting a continuation down. Rejecting and then getting a retracement down, I should say. And then Bitcoin forcing a continuation on Monday with another bearish candle. We had another bearish candle yesterday. Bitcoin looking like it's coming back down to this low. We could see that 100k area that I've been looking for like this before getting a continuation. Bitcoin looking quite weak this week, as I've been saying all week. When Bitcoin opens up bearish on the Monday, you do usually see the market retracing for the rest of the week. And as you can see, Verasity here very simply just reacting to that. Looking a little bit stronger than Bitcoin actually. But obviously because we're just so low on Verasity in general at this point, I think it's probably we're coming into a good area of demand down here, and we're probably going to be bouncing out of that if you had to guess. You can see Verasity obviously coming into this big area of support down here where we have been bouncing over and over and over and over and over and over again for the past basically ever since, what was this, the start of the year where we had the tariff dump. Since then, apart from this deviation to the high, we've got the high, the low, the high, the low, the high, the low, the high, the low. Very, very consistent support and resistance. This support being the 10th of a cent level, the resistance being the 5th of a cent level. Overall here, I'm feeling very much like Verasity is just coming down into an area, and we're probably going to bounce out of this area pretty soon. Bitcoin doing its best to dump the market down. Verasity here not really having that much of a reaction to it, to be honest. Obviously, we are retracing a little bit, but if you look across the market, the vast majority of cryptos are looking a lot worse than Verasity is really, just because we're so bottomed out at this point. As I say in every video, there's much less desire to come down and resweep this low again of more liquidity than there probably is of a bounce to the upside and a continuation ripping through some of these levels of liquidity here. I think Bitcoin's just messing with the market again, and we are going to get that bounce soon. I feel like that altcoin season is fast approaching. The altcoin basket has hit a new all-time high, probably having a retrace here before the next pump up through that level. Apart from that, we are just waiting and seeing what's going to happen next. Verasity here, I think, in a good position to get a bounce from this range, provided that the market doesn't see any cataclysmic failures. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates, and I'll see you in the next video.